So Inspire is a hospital-based youth work service, and we work with young people for a range of reasons, from young people with sort of self-harming behaviours to young people with diabetes or young people who might need additional support. We work with partners more locally and sort of across North Wales, and that can be with other health teams in other hospitals, and also services like the police, social services, schools, and we also have a transition worker working in CAMS, helping young people move into adult services. The work we do with young people is really varied because we're led by them. We have overall aims of reducing readmittance to hospital or improving engagement with services, but ultimately we let them decide how that's going to work. It can be work on confidence, sleep, self-esteem, or for some young people it's about sort of sorting out other priorities in their life.
Roeddwn i'n strugglio hefo fy type 1 diabetes, a roedd Inspire gallu helpu fi, a rŵan dwi'n helpu fy hun I gallu cael gwella.
I think this is more of a nice and better approach. It's a better way to make friends, and you feel like you're more understood without feeling pressured, and I think everyone should have an opportunity to have a group like I did.